Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about why we love recommending cruciferous vegetables in our diet plan. Reason being, cruciferous group of vegetables like these, actually help your body in the detoxification process. Before we understand detoxification, let's first understand what toxicity is. So toxicity is when, let's say, you consume food which has harmful chemicals like DDT or lead. You might have heard a lot about these. And when these chemicals go into your body, they basically get stuck to your adipose tissues. Adipose tissues are actually fat cells. And these fat cells, if the toxins increases in larger quantity, it can even become cancer. So what happens is, as a natural part of the process in our body, these toxins are supposed to get converted into water soluble and then they get flushed out of the body. So this entire process is taken care by our liver, which is located to our right side of our body. So what happens is, so these toxins are getting converted into a phase-wise process. In phase 1, these fat soluble toxins are basically, with the help of liver, gets converted into water soluble toxins. Now what happens is, let's say that if you are repeatedly consuming these toxins and liver is not able to function well, so what happens is the entire process, it breaks and there is larger amount of toxins getting collected in our body, and these toxins can get collected either in our thyroid, in our breast cells, in our uterus, in our bloodstreams, or even in our bones, and ends up becoming cancerous. So in case if you want to understand how to prevent cancer, this video can also help you out. So what happens is, when you take cruciferous group of vegetables have actually got phytonutrients. These phytonutrients are extremely good to basically reverse this process and also facilitate the conversion of phase 1 toxins to phase 2 toxins, and further helps you out to reduce cancerous growth or any reasons because of which you can lead to cancer. So make sure you use these group of vegetables which are shown in your video in your diet plan quite regularly.